Understanding where we come from is important to Cherokee people. That's especially true for Cherokee genealogist Ashley Thirsty-Vann, who helps families connect to their past.
Osiyo, my name is Ashley Thirsty-Vann. My favorite hobby is to do genealogy. My Cherokee name is Osiyo, which means little in Cherokee. I was born premature, about 3 to 4 months early. I came home and I was still so little. I didn't fit in a crib, I fit in a shoebox. I grew up in a small community called Rocky Mountain in Adair County, Oklahoma. What got me interested in genealogy is primarily both of my grandmothers. I spent a lot of summer months with them. And during those summer months, we have Memorial Day weekend. A lot of people go out to cemeteries to decorate. They would walk me out to the cemetery and show me who was who. This is where we began. This is your great-grandfather, your great-grandmother. These are their children, and so forth. The reasons why genealogy is so important to me is because it is a way to preserve my ancestors' history. But also I like to take the opportunity to teach others how to do their own genealogy.
My name is John Michael Jason Brewer from Eufaula, Oklahoma. Hoping to find out if I have any Cherokee lineage. Just trying to figure out exactly, where I come from, who I am. A big part is trying to help my papa find out more of his dad because he didn't know his dad at all.
The client that I have, his name is Jay Brewer. He was looking to see if his maternal grandmother had a Cherokee ancestor.
So since I was very young, I have Indian relatives. Asked my papa about it. He doesn't know much about his family. He never knew his dad. And so it's been a challenge trying to figure out on his side exactly where we come from and who we are.
Primarily when you begin genealogy research, you always begin with yourself. But if we're looking in to see if we have a Cherokee ancestor, I'm gonna look at the residence of those ancestors. I'm gonna look in 1900 because that was when the Dawes Act was enacted and processed here in the state of Oklahoma. At that particular time, your ancestor had to been established and living within the tribal jurisdiction and been recognized as a citizen. So let's go back in 1900. Your great-grandfather, Jackson, is listed here in Denton, Texas. So that line does not have any Native American records due to non-residency. I did see a couple of extended family members who had married into tribal citizens. They're part of your family, but there's no records pertaining to citizenship of any of the nations here in the state of Oklahoma. Out of the people who come up to me to do genealogy research, about 1 out of 100 come back with an actual Cherokee ancestor. With Leroy, he actually died in a freak accident.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so he was only 23 years old when he had passed away. He died in Madill, Oklahoma. He was actually working with a heavy load truck and it flipped over with him inside of it. Him and another person were injured and they didn't survive the injuries.
It's exciting to learn because, like I said, no one knows anything about my papa's dad. And so that's gonna be something that I'm gonna be grateful to tell my papa, and I know my papa is gonna be excited to be able to learn about.
Thank you so very much for allowing me to do research on your family.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. This is the grave of my great-great-aunt, Alvi Kota-Gawe Nix. She was the one who gathered up my family for all her birthdays, and she kept the matrilineal society going in her family. She was the matriarch of the Nix side. When she was close to probably 99 years old to 100 years old, you could hear her singing in her bedroom. And my dad would talk to her in Cherokee and ask her how she was doing. And she always told him, my time is coming soon. So, just keep up with the family and keep connection and y'all keep coming around. Don't let my hard work go to waste. I think I'm helping with that process of keeping her legacy alive and also keeping the family ties together for the next generation. She left big shoes to fill, so hopefully our family will keep on with her traditions and stuff and just stay connected and stay with each other, because it's all we got, it's our family.